All right, you guys, we are going to solve some addition problems. But with these addition problems, the strategy is going to be to get to numbers that we love. And you'll see what I mean. Okay, so get your paper and pencil ready. Here we go. We're number lining it. Here's our first problem. In this problem string, we're going to start at 27, and we're going to add on 3 more. Okay, go for it. See what that answer is. See what you notice. Go ahead. Pause the video. All right, here we go. We are going to start at 27, and we're going to jump 3. Okay, now some of you could jump a 3 instantly instead of counting on, because maybe you just know 7 and 3 is 10. 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, it's 10. 10 is fabulous. So instead of being at the tens number of 20, now we're at the tens number of 30. Awesomeness, okay? And 30 is gonna be a number that we love. This is gonna be a strategy to use to get to these tens numbers, okay? Because they're fabulous. All right, let's try the next problem that is similar to this one. So here's your next one to try. Go ahead and try this one. 27 plus 8. Okay, pause the video and try it out. All right, coming back to you. All right, so in the first one, we did 27 plus 3. But now we're doing 27 plus 8. So could we use what we did before? Yes! That is the whole point, because you are trying to get to these fabulous 10 numbers, because it helps. If I jump 3, I'm going to be at 30. So how many more do I need to go? So if I break a 3 off of 8, so here is my 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. If I break a 3 off of it, how much do I have left to go? I have 5 more. Now you could count on 5, or you just know you're at a tens number, which is awesome. And if I go 5 more, so that's a little bigger than 3. If I go 5 more, where am I going to land? I won't be at 30. I'll be at 35. Okay? If I go 5 more. So that's so awesome. I can get to a 10 and use my tens facts, and then just go however many I have left. And I'm at 35. So awesome. Okay? So it's really good to get good at this strategy, but to get good at things, you have to practice them. So I am going to show you an app that, not an app, but a website that you can practice this at. And it's on Greg Tang, and it is called Break Apart. And we're gonna work this through with addition, and we're trying to make tens numbers right here. So now if we start on the easy version, we're going to work with just single digit numbers. So if I have 9 and 4, I have 9. How could I make a 10 with 9? Well, I'd split this up and I'd want it to be 1. Because if I had 9 and 1, I'd make 10, and that's fabulous. But if I take 1 off of 4, how much do I have left? So I take 1 away from the 4, I'm left with what? 3. So now I can get my answer more easily. So 9 and 1 is 10, and 10 and 3 is 13. But we don't say that, it's 13. Okay, so I could keep practicing this. 9 and 1 make 10. If I take a 1 from a 6, I'm left with what? 6, 5, 4, or 3. I'm left with 5. Now 9 and 1 is 10, and 10 and 5 is what? 15. Okay, now it is going to change from a 9. It's not always going to be a 9, but it just so happens it keeps being 9. So now let's go back to the menu. Let's go to addition, and let's get a little tougher. So let's go to the harder numbers, which is what we're doing on the number line. And we're still trying to make 10. Still trying to use that strategy, all right? Now it gets tougher because look at our number is, the first number is not just a single digit number. So we're at 75. Now we're not trying to get to 10, but we're trying to get to the next tens number. And the closest tens number that is more than that is 80. That's why it says make 80. So how many more do I need? Well, I can look at this 5 still, and 5 and what? Make another 10. 5 and 5. But if I take 5 off of 8, So here's my 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and I take off 5, I still need to go 3, okay? So 3 and 5 make 8, and now it's easier to get my answer because 75 and 5 will give me 80, the next 10 number, and then 80 and 3 is 83. And then to get good at it, you just have to keep practicing. So 56, we need to make it to the next tens number, not 50, but 60. And I know 6 and what make 10? 6 and 2 do not make 10. 6 and 3 do not make 10. 6 and 4 do make 10. There it is. But if I take 4 off of 9, how much do I have left? So again, I have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. If I take 4 off of 9, I'm left with 5. So I need to put that 5 there. 56 and 4 is 60, the next tens number, and 60 and 5 is 65. So you guys, get good at getting to those friendly tens numbers. That's where we want to be. Life gets easier in addition when you can make it there. All right, practice it up. Awesome.